Fun facts about planet Earth. Earth is the Goldilocks planet. It's not too hot, not too cold, it's just right for life. Earth is the only planet we know of where living things can survive. Earth is mostly water. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water. That's why it's sometimes called the blue planet. It's spinning all the time. Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour. That's why we have day and night. Earth is always moving. Not only does Earth spin, but it also orbits the Sun at about 67,000 miles per hour. Earth has a skin. The outer layer of Earth, called the crust, is like a skin, it's where we live. But it's much thinner compared to the inside of the Earth. Earth is really old. Our planet is about 4.5 billion years old. That's older than dinosaurs, trees, and even the continents as we know them today. Earth is like a magnet. It has a magnetic field that protects us from harmful rays from the sun. This magnetic shield is also why compasses work. Earth's core is super hot. The center of the Earth is as hot as the surface of the Sun, about 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 7 continents. Earth's land is divided into 7 continents: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Earth has a twin. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet because they're similar in size, but Venus is way too hot for life. There's life everywhere. Life exists in the deepest oceans, the highest mountains, and even underground. Earth is a great recycler. Through a process called the water cycle, Earth constantly reuses water. The rain you see today could have been around when dinosaurs roamed the planet. Earth is full of wonders, and there's always more to learn.